In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a new homepage in WordPress. Changing your homepage can be a great way to showcase the most important aspects of your website, whether that's your latest blog post, a portfolio, or perhaps an about page. So let's dive right into it and walk through the simple steps to make this customization. First, let's navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where we'll be doing the majority of our work today. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a list of different settings options. Scroll down and click on Settings to open a drop-down menu, and then select Reading from this list. Now, you might be wondering why this is called the Reading Settings page. This is where you can manage how your content is displayed to visitors, tweaking the way people interact with your site. On this page, you'll see a section labeled Your Homepage Displays. This is a pivotal section where you control what your visitors see first when they land on your website. By default, WordPress usually shows your most recent posts on the homepage, but you want a more stable, static page to greet your visitors. So let's change that by selecting the A Static Page option. With this option, you can choose any existing page as your homepage for a more personalized touch. Once you've selected a static page, it's time to choose the specific page that will serve as your homepage. A drop-down menu will appear next to the Homepage label. Click this menu and you'll see a list of all the pages you've created within WordPress. Here, pick the page you want to designate as your homepage. For instance, if you have an About My page or any other intriguing introduction point, you can select it here. Selecting a page that truly represents the purpose or style of your website can make a significant impact on your visitors' first impressions. After choosing your desired page, the final step in this process is to save these changes. Look towards the bottom of the settings page and you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click it. This ensures that all your preferences are locked in and activated on your website. Now, go ahead and check your website to confirm that the correct page is now graciously serving as your homepage. That wraps up today's video. With these simple steps, you've successfully customized your WordPress homepage. By showcasing a specific page, you've guided your visitors directly to what you believe is most important. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Remember, customizing your website is all about connecting with your visitors in a meaningful way, and setting the homepage is just the start. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!